Before the sun rises, your journey begins, arriving in silence at Borobudur, where calm meets the morning mist. At Dagi Abhinaya, you sit in stillness beneath the pines, breathing the cool morning air, feeling the earth awaken as the sun rises. As you walk down the quiet path, the ancient stones of Borobudur are revealed. With the sunrise, the temple silhouette glows, a timeless witness to countless pilgrimages. You join the Puja and Pradaksina, walking mindfully around the temple, step by step, leaving behind the noise of the world and finding a stillness within. Among the ancient stones, you pause, listening to the silent stories carved in reliefs, feeling the vastness of the landscape around you. The pilgrimage closes with a shared meal, simple, wholesome flavor of Borobudur's land, enjoyed beneath the trees as the temple watches over in quiet grace. Borobudur is more than a destination, it's a path to inner peace. Walk the pilgrim's way and discover the heart of Java.